Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Concept Window. In this video, we are going to understand the concepts of speed and velocity. So now what is a speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. So now we will understand this with the help of an example. So I have travelled from point A to point B, and the total distance from point A to point B was 20 kilometer. Okay, and I have travelled this distance 20 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay, so now to find the speed is equal to distance travelled. How much distance I have travelled? 20 kilometer. So I'll write here 20 upon how much time taken? 2 hours. So speed is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So this was my speed and this is the concept of speed. Okay. Now comes the concept of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. Okay, now let's discuss this velocity, the concept of velocity with the help of an example. So as we already know that what is displacement? Displacement is the length of the shortest path between initial and the final point. So let's take initial point as A and final point as B. So the displacement will be this much, and the length of this shortest path, let's take 10 kilometer. Okay, and I have covered this 10 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay, so displacement is 10 kilometer upon time taken is 2 hours. So now our velocity is 5 kilometer per hour, and this is the concept of velocity. Now let us talk about the difference between speed and velocity. Let me write the formula of speed and velocity. Speed is equal to distance travelled upon time taken. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. So as you can see here, distance is a scalar quantity. So speed is also a scalar quantity. Speed is scalar quantity, whereas velocity has displacement, and you know displacement is a vector quantity. So velocity is also a vector quantity. Here velocity is vector quantity. And in scalar quantity, you know, only magnitude is there. Only magnitude. Whereas velocity is a vector quantity. So vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Okay, this is the difference between speed and velocity. So now we will talk about the SI unit of both speed and velocity. Again, I will write the formula of speed and velocity. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken, whereas velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. So as you know, the SI unit of distance, that is meter, upon, and the SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, now let's come to velocity. Now the SI unit of displacement is meter, let me write it here, upon, and the SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, so the both speed and velocity has same SI unit, that is meter per second. I think that you understood the concept of speed and velocity, the difference between speed and velocity and their SI units. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.